Hello, welcome to the world of computer-aided design with Solidworks. Today we are going to learn how to create extruded cuts in Solidworks. To create an extruded cut feature, we need to create a sketch for the cut feature and then choose this extruded cut tool available in the Features command manager. So let us create a sketch for the cut feature first. So go to this Sketch command manager, choose the sketch tool, and I'm going to use this face of the feature as the sketching plane. Now we are in the sketching environment of SolidWorks. I'll choose this normal to button from the orientation dialog box. Now I'll create a rectangle here. Okay. Click on the exit sketch option. Again, go to the Features command manager. To understand the options in the Extruded Cut property manager, I will create a plane at the mid of this plane and this plane. So choose the plane tool, select this face and then select this face. So we have this plane created here. Choose the OK button. Now invoke the Extruded Cut tool. Now we need to select the sketch. So here we have the sketch. I'll select it. You can see a preview of the cut is displayed here. We have this from drop down list here, and currently the sketch plane option is chosen in this drop down list. So the extruded cut is starting from this face because we use this face as the sketch plane. So if I click the OK button at this stage, you can see the rectangular portion is cut from this feature. I'll undo what I just did. I'll again invoke the extruded cut tool. I'll select the sketch. Now let us see what other options are available in this drop down list. So the second tool we have is surface face plane. I'll choose this option. Now I will select this created plane. Now if you notice that the removal of material is taking place from this plane. You can also adjust the depth of the extruded cut by using this arrow here. Choose the OK button. This time you see the material is removed from the feature. The material removal started from this plane. Again, invoke the extruded cut tool. First of all, undo what we did in the previous step. Use the extruded cut tool, select the sketch. Now the other option here is vertex. We can specify any vertex point from which we want to start the extruded cut. If I select this vertex, you can see the material removal is occurring from this plane. You can change the depth of extrusion using this arrow. So click on the OK button. You can see we have created an extruded cut up to the specified depth. Ctrl Z. Again invoke the extruded cut tool. Select this sketch. The last option here we have is offset option. Click on this option. Specify the offset distance. Let me make it 10. I want this offset in other directions. So I'll choose this reverse offset button. Now the material removal is taking place at an offset distance of 10 units from this front face. I'll increase this offset distance to say 50. So from this face, at an offset distance of 50 units, the material removal is taking place. Hit the OK button. This is the extruded cut feature which we created using the offset option. Ctrl Z. Again invoke the extruded cut tool. Select the sketch. You can also use this direction to checkbox to create the extruded cut in other direction also. The options in this blind drop-down list are similar to ones which we did in the Extrude property manager. So after setting all the parameters in the Cut Extrude property manager, click on the OK button to create the extruded cut feature. Thank you for watching this video.